Kristina KRYKHTIN with Signature One Luxury Estates, here to announce that Palm Beach County has entered phase 1 of reopening some of the critical businesses that are important to us on a daily basis. That includes restaurants. Restaurants are now open and taking 25% capacity of seating inside, 100% capacity outside. Retail stores also opening up and at 25% capacity. Beaches will be opening up May 18th for county residents. Parks are opening up. Boating ramps and docks are opening up. Doctors' offices, urgent care, dentists. If you have thought about getting an elective procedure done, now is the time to start thinking about that. Also, food stores are open, liquor stores, salons, barbershops, and nail salons are all opening up, which is great news for all of us. Sports facilities are also opening up. This is great news for all of us, but remember to stay safe and practice social distancing.